Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about some craft and creativity. If you know me well, then you must be knowing I really love craft and artwork. So I thought of doing something this time and showing it to you and teach you or just suggest you how to do that. So I collected some pistachio shells in my home and I saved them for since a long time, and I thought of making something from that. Now let me show you what I have. So this is totally made up of pistachio shells. You can see. So I'll be teaching you how to do this so that you can use it to decorate your home. You can put this in the flower vase and it will look so beautiful. It will look like unbloomed tulips. So let's get started and see how to do this. And yes, if you have not followed me over Instagram, do follow me over Instagram so that I can teach you and give you some more tips and tricks in craft, body care, skin care, hair care, and other products. And also I review products over there, so you can check me out over there also. Now without further delay, let's get started. So I have some pistachio shells. I have some old decoration pieces that we had in our house, which I am going to reuse again, and some pistachio shells that I had saved whenever I ate. Now let's start. So before proceeding to the assembly, I'll be showing you how to do the individual flowers. So for this you need pistachio shells, which should be clean like this. You need to take out the one I'm holding in right hand. Now let me show you the dirty ones, or the ones with the attached peel of the pistachio. You can see. So this is the one with the peel. It's sticking, so just take it out for a better grip or the glue to stick properly, and then use it. Now let me show you how to do it. First, always for the smaller ones or the inside petals, choose the smaller shells so that it will be easy and the presentation will look good. Now stick both the shells like this, the way I am showing on my hand. So once you are done with sticking both, now place the third one on the opposite direction or on the way they are opening, as you can see over here, like that. Just take the four ones in four different directions. Like if you are pasting the inside ones with east and west direction, the other two will be in north and south direction. I hope you can understand this and look at this and get to know what I want to say. So each flower will look like this exactly, and we will make flowers of this style, this size, and then we will stick it to the stick or the decorating stand so that it will look beautiful. This looks like an unbloomed tulip. You can see I'm segregating and showing. So the outer two petals and the inner two petals. So for sticking to the shells, I am using the glue gun because it is easy to do this with the glue gun. Be careful with the glue gun, you may end up burning your skin if you are touching the tip the way I am doing. So be careful while doing that. Now start sticking the petals and then sticking it to the stick the way I am doing. Now let me fast forward and go ahead. This is the way you should do it and complete it, okay? So that one is done. Now let me clean up my hands from the glue gun and start showing you the second way, or the one which I was showing in my intro. So we'll be making that soon. I'll be showing the end product as well. Just watch the video till the end so that you can see the end result. if you can. So to make it little more real, we used a stick with branches so that it will look good. But while I was sticking, it became so much messy that I had to take out the individual branches and then assembled it later so that it would be easy for us, because this was one old stick, so I had to use a better one so that it will last for a longer time. So I am using the same technique of making those flowers I showed before, and I am just sticking them to a single stick and not to the branches. So this will be so much easier. First I am making the flowers and then I will be sticking it to the branches. And sorry for the shadow, my brother was roaming here and there over that place, so couldn't help him out. So while I was working with the tulips, I was making the individual ones and then sticking it to the stick. My mama was sitting at the back and she was assembling the sub branches and branches with the stick to make it a better look or to give a better feel. And we were sticking the same with the help of a cello tape. And you need not do something really aesthetic, it will simply look good because I'm using brown tape over here, and with the brown the skin color shells looks really good, so you can also try that out. It will be easier and much more less work as compared to the one you generally see in other videos. So here, while attaching, you may need someone's help in order to attach and assemble the flowers on a stick, because the stick, if it is not that supportive, it may start swinging here and there, and that will create a problem. And if you are making something in 3D, like in every direction you are using those flowers to stick, then you may need someone's help in order to hold it, like the way I am holding it over here vertically, and then you can easily stick it. So I took help from my mother and she helped me in doing this. And the thing turned out to be something like this, but there was so much of gap between the tulips, so I thought why not I make some more and attach it to that. So let me just take you to the end result so that it will be easy for you to know. I made similarly another stick as well, the one you are seeing at the back, and I made total of 3 sticks, one with branches, one with just normal one, and one with the other one. So let me just show you the end result so that it will be easy. I don't want you to lose patience after all. So these are the ones I made today out of those shells. Sorry for the shadow, but actually my floor is so white that it is hard to see, but if you keep it in a dark place, it will be easy for you to see and distinguish, and you will really love it. I'll attach a photo so that it will be easy for you to know how it looks. Along with this, I have also made the small painting I'm showing over here. If you want to see how I made it, comment down below so that I can tell you how you can also make it. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll bring the next video very soon. Till then,